Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anugrah Wijaya. On this occasion, I will present about the mass media. The first, what is the mass media? Yeah, Dennis McQuail, 2015, explained the mass media is a complex social institution. Mass media covers a variety of managerial aspects, professional human resources to technical aspect. The mass media always interact and are influenced by social, economic, and political organization, as well as events that occur in society in general and particular audience. Yeah, do you know the media have a big role and contribute to the economic, sorry, to contribute to the economic, political, and cultural freedom society. The role of media institutions is carried out through their publication activities involving the community are as sources of information and recipients of information. Yeah, well, the mass media can indeed persuade and correct express expectation through message conveyed using the effect of expectation. But formally, the media institution do not have the full power to regulate society. Public participation in a media institution occurs naturally, voluntarily, and without social obligation. In this context, people have complete freedom to decide which media institution they will cause. Yeah, Somaker and Resi explained that that there are four aspects or parties that influence the mass media, namely one, a media organization consisting of journalists and editors who interact in the new production room. Two, media owners have total control over public policy, including editorial staff. And three, external media relation, such as advertisers, news sources, and other institutions that actively interact with the media. And four, the ideology adopted by the media is reflected in its vision and mission. Yeah, next, characteristic of mass media institution. Yeah, we know a characteristic of mass media institution. Number one, the characteristic of number one, the characteristic of mass media institution in brief are is sorry the characteristic of mass media institution in brief are one, producing and distributing knowledge in the form of information, views, and culture that comes from response to collective social needs and individual demands. Two, provides a channel to connect certain people with others. And three, the media conduct most of their activities in the public sphere and are institutions open all to participate as recipients. Yeah, we know the participation of members of the public in institution is essentially voluntary without any social obligation or sorry, obligation or obligation, even more voluntarily, voluntarily than other situation. Yeah. Next, profit or sorry. Next, profit oriented ideally. The mass media has a role, like one as mass media as an agent of change. Yeah, agent of change at this level, the mass media function more as a medium to convey information that should be known by the public. 2. As an educational medium. Yeah, 2. As an educational medium. And 3. As a medium for entertaining. And 4. And as a medium for preserving culture. Yeah, next. Relation with other institution. Yeah, their reality show that media institution need relationship with other parties. Namely, 1. There is a relationship between the press and the public. 2. There is a relationship between the press and the public. 3. The public is a source of information that can be distributed by the press. 4. There are formalities in the form of legal regulation that limit media freedom. The press law is from the legal regulation. 5. There is an economic relationship that link the media with other institutions. And 6. There is an informal relationship between the media and society in a two-way and reciprocal way. Society depends on the media for information. Yeah, for the media, society is a source of information as well as a target for communication. The relationship that occurs between media organization and the public is greatly influenced by content distribution relationship. This relationship is formed based on the expectation, interest, and the interest of the audience. Like from personal contact with audience, research results, sales evidence, letter, telephone, and so on. In fact, the content is controlled and directed by the media, like because the audience is parent. And next, public structure of media. Yeah, we know the public structure of the media is structured based on the component of social groups and category determined by the public structure of media is structure based on the component of social groups and category determined by relationship, interest, and the aims of obtaining various content which have an influence on difference in taste, education, and so on. Economical influence on audience structure due the diversity of costs that must be borne by consumer and advertiser. Difference due to residence, social class, religion, and so on. Yeah, public boundaries about the media are determined by several things, namely the media itself, namely how the media present itself, the social and cultural condition that exist in society determine how the media will be formed, the intrinsic future of different technologies, personal experience of the public or media audience. Yeah, thank you. That's all for me. That's all for me about the mass media. Yeah, and thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and thank you for all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.